In this video, we'll be looking at 3 high-paying remote jobs worldwide with no degree needed. So if this interests you, make sure you like this video, also subscribe and share with your family and your friends. So I will not delay more time, I will just dive right straight into the content. The first website we'll be looking at is automatic.com. Don't worry, this will flash up on the screen so you can be able to get the name of this website clearly. Now, as you can see, it says here, work with us, remote jobs from anywhere. And this place, it says, want to make the web a better place for more than 1 billion people each month, we are hiring. So the first thing you are going to want to do on this website is go on to work with us. As you can see on the screen, work with us right there. So you are going to just click up on that and we will see where it takes us right now. So after you click on the work with us, you are just going to scroll down and see the tons of job available, and if you want you can just apply for any of this job. Now for example, if you click on happiness engineering, this is a support engineering WordPress VPI Americas. This deals about customer cares, and you can just dialogue with the company's customer and relate to the company itself 24/7. So for example, you can just click on this place and say apply. So let's wait for that to load. Okay, so once you have just read all of these, and you can just go through the required skill. For example, it's a required skill for this type of job is excellent communication skills. Says we are a distributed team, no frequent and clear written communication is crucial. It says it's a self-motivated work ethics, self-starters who work taking initiative and seeing things through completions, do well on our team. And this place is a curiosity and desire to learn, so keeping up to date with changing WordPress and technology trends on behalf of our team and customers, often training others once proficient. Flexibility is key. Alright, so another required skill for this type of job is proficiency and eloquence in written English. Additional spoken or written languages can be beneficial. And the last required skill for this type of job is deep knowledge of WordPress and underlying code. Whether you are currently supporting individuals with their site or maintaining your own, we are looking for theme, plugin, blog editors, or e-commerce experience. It's important to be able to read the codes when they are logging and potentially resolving problems, and to have experience with WLCLI, WordPress, hooks, filters, imports, and etc. Alright then, so you can still check out this useful skill to have, and how to apply is just by sending a resume and cover letter to in a PDF format to this button here. So you can just see apply for this job here. And so if you should come to Google and research salaries for automatic employees, the answer will be the average estimated. Alright, let me just highlight this so it can be more easier to see. Let me just make it more bold. Alright, it says the average estimated annual salary including base and bonus at automatic is $130,968 per year, or $62 per hour. So you can see this is a more profitable website to work on as a remote employee. So now let's go to the next website which can pay you highly for remote work. Hello guys, my name is Sam, and what I do on this channel is that I review digital tools, that is applications and websites which are capable to make you money online. So if this is what you like to see, I would advise that you like and you subscribe to this channel so that you can get to see more of my videos whenever I drop them. With that being said, let us dive right straight into the video. So the second website we'll be looking at in this video is Knack.com. Don't worry, like I said earlier, this will flash up on the screen so you can be able to see the link very clearly. Now, what this site is all about is that this site allows you to build business app that gets to the right user at the right time with the right workflow with no code. That means you don't have to know any code for you to build an app on this website. But for you to be able to get a job on this website, all you have to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page, to the footnote on the page, and come to the place that says career, like you see there, career. So once you click on this button here, it will bring you to this area where you can see where you can see the open positions that you need to apply for. As you can see just at the bottom of the screen, it says open positions, and it says think you may be kindred spirit, want to join us in this crazy journey, apply below. And here are the open positions that you can apply for: director of marketing and demand generation, principal lead product manager, head of product marketing, senior post grade, I don't know this, senior QA automation engineer, senior backend engineer, senior platform engineer, and senior site reliability engineers. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to click on the senior platform engineer. So let's wait for that to load and we can see all we have to know about this position on this website. Now it says key responsibility. All right, okay, now these are the key responsibility. That means what you are expected to know how to do if you are applying for this job. And it says okay, should I just read everything written there? And it says okay, let's go. Let me just increase so we can be able to see this clearly. Okay, it says create integrations library between our back-end code and our SaaS solutions. It says help suggest and implement TypeScript best practices within front-end and back-end code bases. It says build shared functionalities out of code bases and into internal libraries, helping write usage and contribution documentation. It says refactor back-end and front-end code to more native integrate with our premium AWS services, okay, such as parameter store, secret manager, CloudWatch, and more. It says collaborate with our cloud team to duplicate and replace in-house twin with AWS managed solutions, help in our efforts to break apart our Mobility's API into more loosely coupled architecture, focusing primarily on shared functionalities and routing. It says help create dashboard and internal tooling so that our customer can be more control over their Knack app and our developers can increase their own development velocity. Now these are the skill and knowledge and expertise that is required. Alright, so the benefit of this job is that the biggest benefit of Knack is getting to work alongside our awesome team of knuckleheads. We are funny, humble, and talented team of delightful human beings that above all enjoy working with each other, growing with each other, and supporting each other. Alright, so the benefit is the value work or limited pay pack vacations. This is take your time Take your time you need to stay motivated, charged, and balanced. You will get required days off for birthdays and anniversaries. Alright, so paid couple retreats. We get together twice a year at an amazing location to do normal human being things in person. We pay for your flight, lodging, and meals. So healthcare, we offer health, vision, and dental covering 75% of the premium for you and your dependents. That is your spouse and children. Okay, 401k, let's see what this is all about. We give you the option to automatically deduct funds for your pay to stash them away for golden years. Currently not matching, but stay tuned. Okay, equal opportunities. Okay, we push everyone to maximize their impact on our product and company. We strongly value all our people regardless of title or seniority. Alright, so learning credits. Okay, let's see what this is all about. An annual allowance is provided to stay up on your game with classes, books, and conferences. Alright. Another benefit is family support. We offer a genius paid family leave to welcome any new additions to our family. Alright, tech, we provide a top of the 9 MacBook. Alright, so alright, to apply for this job is just to, okay, let's click let's read this place how to apply. Alright, are you currently so excited to apply that you can barely type? Then we want to hear from you. You can apply for this position by filling out this application. We review application in batches, so don't worry if you don't hear from us right away. Qualified candidates will move on to video interviews to discuss the positions in detail, meet the team, and talk through the fit. We also believers in paid trials whenever logistically possible. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to click on the apply now and see how the form looks like. Alright, so let's wait for that to load. And in the application, we have the first name, the last name, the email, the phone number. Okay, what if you are not based in the US? You can actually put in the country you are based and select the country code, and you can then apply. So I am in Nigeria for the moment, so I'm looking for Nigeria. Alright, this is Nigeria, and I can just input the number and okay, so your LinkedIn page, this is optional by the way. So okay, in the second phase of the application, then you have to fill in your profile, your resume, and everything. So you have to attach it here, your personal summary. You have to tell them a little more about yourself. And in the phase of this application, the third phase, now you have to answer some question. How many years of Node experience do you have? Do you have experience with software using AWS SDK? I don't know what that means, I'm not tech. So alright, so do you have experience working closely with both cloud and developer teams? Okay, so you have to fill all of these from submit application. Alright then, so that is that about this website, and we are going to go into the next website where you can find highly paying remote job. The last website we'll be seeing on this video is yodo1.com. Don't worry, like I said earlier, this will flash up on the screen so you can be able to see the name clearly. Alright, so what this site is all about is game cover publishing. So you publish your game and you monetize your game, and whosoever is playing your game, you can earn from them playing your game. So how to make money remotely on this website is for you to come to this area that says complain, as you can see here on the screen. Okay, let me find it. Sorry about that. Alright, as you can see here, it says complain. So just come to career and scroll down for you to see the open position, like it says open roles. So these are all the open roles at this moment in this company. So to me, I think the most easiest one is customer experience. So I'm just going to click on that, and I can just see play games and help developers make money. So see position. So here the responsibility of this website. So the responsibility of this website is playing game. Yes, that's not a joke. I won't be reading this, so I'll just go to requirement for this position. So it says number one is the love for mobile games. Number two, you have to have 1 year experience in free to play mobile games project management for live OPS. All right then. So it says at least 1 year of experience in customer facing role. All right, it's let's say business proficiency in English. This person says excellent communication skill. You'll be working with colleagues and clients in multiple countries and must be able to communicate clearly, concisely, and proactively. All right then. Okay, so another requirement is scalable thinking. We are growing fast. Those who can think big, advance quickly. All right then. The last requirement for this role is accountability and personal organization are essential. All right then. So these are the benefits of working with them for this position. So it says based on qualification, experience, and fit for the role. Okay, flexible hour and unlimited time payoff. Okay, it says the ability to work from anywhere, work from home. All right, then the option to be paid in your currency of choice. All right, so it doesn't have to be dollars, it can just be any currency in your country. All right, so it says an allowance to purchase devices or equipment to improve your work from home setup. Right, this place, it says variable compensation through our annual bonus programs. All right, and how to apply now to change the game for game developers. So how to apply is just click on this button that says apply now. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to check what's inside that button. So that is me clicking on the apply button now to see what is there. So I'm currently waiting for this to. Alright, here we are. So all you have to do is to fill out this application form just like the remotive work earlier, and once you are done, you can just submit through this button, and you will expect their reply at their earliest convenience. So this is all for this video, guys, and thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.